Hey everybody, we're out here at Sango Cemetery. Came out here to clean up the headstone of my great-great-great-granduncle, Reverend George W. Brown. He was born in 1831, passed away in 1881. We've been cleaning this. This is his wife, Mary. Not in quite as good a shape as the other marker, but we're working on it too. And then over here we stumbled on my wife, Judy. This headstone, and broken into. She kind of put it back together. We cleaned it up a little bit, enough to make out. Looks like Patrick, and I believe it's the son of the Reverend George W. Brown. Looks like he was born in 1869, passed away in 1872. There may be a first name on here, but we're cleaning on it too. We've used a little D2 and done a little scrubbing. Maybe the next time we're out here we'll be able to understand, make it out a little bit better. They're all right down from my great-great-great-great-grandfather, the Reverend Allen E. Brown. His headstone's looking much better. We cleaned it a couple of months ago. Put a little bit more D2 on it before we leave. I'm pretty certain it just can't make out that first name. It may have been born in October 1869, but and died either June 18th, I believe it's June 18th or 13th of 1872. It may be Manson Patrick. It could, I don't know. We'll try to figure it all out. Oh. Looking forward to seeing this one in a few weeks. That's all we got for now. We're going to head on down the road. We'll catch y'all next time.